Hey guys, Dog918 and I am playing some Hexxit Survival. Now, why is it not working? Is that, yes, this seems right. There we go, 30 FPS. Now, I spawned a bit away in a jungle, if I look at the map, round about here on the map, just around there. And, where did I get frog eyes from? What can I use these for? Oh god, the flip. Well, that's a bit odd. But anyway, ooh. Okay, scuba diving gear. Also a bit odd. Ooh, lanterns. This is a really cool village. I like this village. This village gives me stuff. I mean, I've already got scuba diving gear, which is pretty epic. I've already got a lantern. I just need some animal fat so I can cook it up and get it lit. And I've already got all these peeps. I mean, it's pretty cool. So, gents. Essence crystal for copper nougat. Nothing. Okay, so I think I will most likely stop here for a bit. Now, if you don't know what Hexxit is, it is basically a thing. It's basically a mod pack, mostly developed to exploration and adventure and action and awesome loot items. And I have to say, I have actually added quite a lot of mods to this. It used to be 69 and now there is 109. But you know, it wasn't really that much. I didn't really add that much, but I have a money cube. I love this. I would have an iron pickaxe as well. Jesus Christ, it's going very well. Okay, there is a mob tower over there. Don't really want to go to that just yet. Now I'm going to try my best not to cheese on this, but I can't really guarantee it because they can die quite a lot and just loot items in the most difficult areas. But you know, we'll just focus off that. And why there's so many lanterns? Jesus Christ! Don't have enough animal fat for this. Down here. You hook. Okay, so I think my first objective is to actually go get some more wood and find a little place to settle down. Now, I don't know which house I'm going to go into, but this one over here looks pretty nice. Let's find a way into it. Okay, well, the way into it is just too difficult, so let's go to this one down here. Whee! I'm actually getting quite a lot of lag for some reason. Oh well. Frog eyes! That's usually. Let's put the lantern up here, even though it does nothing yet. And just probably have went and gone and get the crafting table and the furnaces. Really should have done that. Oh yes, we have iron straight off the bat. Now we're gonna need a bit of cobblestone. I'd say just around about 16. But, you know, that should make us a few furnaces and tools if we actually need to. Now I do have, the timber mod is I think default on this, so I'm just gonna go cut down a jungle tree with a stone axe, and that will give us plenty full wood, at least for the time being. Now is there any sound I can just collapse? What are you? Yeah, I like collapsing sound. Makes you feel like an almightyful god. I'm so tempted. Okay, well, I'll tempt. Yeah. Oh god. I'm killing something. Oh. So I think it's smart to go down there without any weapons at the moment. So let's just wait. Oh god. Let's just wait for that. Okay, well, we have some potatoes here. Let's get some carrots, because we don't have any fuel for these potatoes at the moment. And let's head back into our house. Did I move it away? Thank you. I've not got that crafting table. Cow's over there. Egg! Didn't do anything. Wait, what's that house over there? It looks like it's like a single house all on its own. I would live there if there wasn't like a massive tower over here. There is actually a possibility. Oh, this guy's a crafting table. I don't know, I think I will live here. I mean, it's a pretty nice place. Yeah, I'll stay here. I like it. At least for the time being. And then we can just move to some other place. Furnace. Okay, what did I get the furnace for? No, I didn't even get any. I don't even have any sticks. Oh my god, I'm so unprepared for this. Well, oh, gas leads. Chocobos. We can get some chocobos. If we can find some chocobos. Chocobos, I need you. Chocobos. Why skeletons in the vid? I'm like, I hear sheep. Sheep are devil. Or demon. Or demon. Demon. Demon, 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 demon. See, look, demon. Okay, no, I can hit him. He's not demon. Oh, sheep, demon. Yes, barley. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Get. We can make so much bread. So much bread can be made with this barley stuff. Do you have any idea on how much bread we can make from this? Ooh, a Hexxit essence. Nice. 4 more of them in a diamond, and we can make a piece of legend armor. I think I'm gonna go for the scale because that's actually a really cool looking armor. Sheepy, no. Do you guys have any sticks? That's a blaze. That is the sound of a blaze. I don't like blazes. Well, I love blazes, but I don't like them attacking me. I'm just gonna back away from that and run frantically. Frantically run. Okay, so we're gonna have to explore it later when we actually have some better defense and gear. But for the moment, let's just return back to the house. Actually, no, I can't return back to the house because I need wood so I can start making some stuff. And then I can return back to the house. Now, there is fishing craft in this. I don't know what to do. Now, these things might not be actually in the actual mod pack. I'll probably just like you install them. That's really. I wanted to get a clay soldiers mod on this, but it did not work, which really let me down because I loved that mod. But anyway, we're not here to focus on that. We're here to focus on adventure and a lot more other stuff that I don't know about. Now, I think the first thing is to actually probably start getting into Tinker's Craft because that will improve the amount of iron and gold and whatever we get from the mines, except diamonds because we can't really smelt those into bars. So we need to get a lot of gravel, a lot of sand, and a lot of dirt. Once we get that, we then have all the key ingredients to make grout. And grout is used to make sheared bricks. Sheared bricks are to make the actual blocks, which then ourselves make a 3x3 bottom base, and then a 3 by 3 outer shed. And that will create a smelter. Obviously needs a smeltery drain, some casting bins, some smeltery drains, some smeltery outlets, and all that kind of crazy stuff. This is the wrong couch, but I'm going to take his torch anyway. And the lantern. Give me. But obviously all that will come in great time because each block requires 4 brick, and each sand, dirt, and gravel equals 1 brick. Well, that's enough. Go for it. Oh. Yeah, it makes 2. So basically you need 2 clay, 2 sand, and 2 gravel. That's what I said dirt, sorry about that, it's actually clay. So you actually need, in theory, quite a lot just to make 1 brick. But for this you need to make 3x3, 9, 12. So yeah, you need 21 grout to make just like the first level. Probably more. Okay, so let's get off that subject. Let's start making some cool stuff. First put a torch down so we can sort of see a bit better. And it gives a bit more of a homely feel. Now we're gonna need some sticks. I have to use it for fuel at the moment, so let's put it in there. And let's get rid of all these nasty stuff and start replacing it with some actual chairs. Because I actually do have a furniture mod in this. And also, it's not the cheapest, but it's the only one I could really get. I couldn't get Jammy's furniture mod, unfortunately, which I would say is better in the way. I said like some things are easier to make, like an oven. In this, it requires I think 9 iron blocks or 7. Like 8 iron blocks. That is actually quite a lot. But with this other one, it's better. I think I have Bibliocraft as well, which is pretty epic. I just have a load of mods. Okay, so I can make stone. I think I might make that. Okay, stone tables and some wooden chairs. Do you need oak wood or is it any wood? Yeah, any wood, sweet. Okay, so let's get a nice little chair. And then a last little thingy move, whatever it's called. Okay, whatever. And then we can have that. Oh god, okay, that's scary. Can I put anything, can I put some on the table? No, I can't, damn it. Okay, well anyway, that looks a lot nicer. We have some books, we have a nice little visitor here, which I'll be able to kill soon. Okay, now what can I use iron for? In the way of tool, way of combat. Let's just have a quick look through all of this. I can make a sword. Giant big sword. That is rubbish. An iron scythe is actually not bad. An iron glaive I've never actually tried. An electric fence I can make it tap, I don't know what I need that for. I can make all that sweet stuff. It's pretty damn epic. I can make a hammer, I can make supports, make a sickle, I can make reinforcements. I can make a big sword, I can make an iron spear. All of this stuff is pretty damn cool. My air tanks, dimensional doors, hand saws, hooks, fishing rods. Whoa. Yeah, getting good sword, word of power. Probably that is how you make it a monocle. Yeah, some mods do clash together, unfortunately. I am sorry about that, but there's not really much I can do about it. Also, I still want to save on my iron to make some turrets. So, 4. Okay, so I need to save 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's save 8 of that and use the rest for some combat. So let's make a scythe. Scythe's actually pretty damn cool. And I'll show you why they're so cool in just a second. Let's put all the crap in here. Whee! Get rid of all this stuff. And be gone. Let's have to make the stand real quick. Because once I get one of these turrets, it'll be so cool. What's it? How do we Sentry turret. Oh no, I can't make it properly, can I? Nope, I cannot. Okay, well, since it won't work properly, cheat mode, put that on the floor. Okay, there we go, let's spawn one of these in. So basically we are crafting it. So, some mods class together. Okay, so we've got a sentry base, nice. So all I need is a sentry head and I can put it all into a nice little kit. Which pretty awesome. Okay, so just need redstone, gunpowder and a dispenser. So that requires some string. And we'll go get some string after I start making some food, because I am going to be a bit hungry. Remember what I said about making a load of bread? So, you can make so much. Good success. Let's go out and kill some things, because no, it's actually pretty boring after a while. Spiders. 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 I said a load of you bastards. Achoo! Yep, dismemberment is. I've got 2 dismemberment more, so it's like double the dismemberment, and it is just so cool. Hey spider, how you doing today? Pretty. I shoot. I said. Yes, sink. Yes. I just sink. Sink. Red. Red. Ah. Ah, sweet home meal bread. Ah, what seems. Okay, we can now go out and battle. The mighty cows shall never win. Oh jeez, quite together for 6. Ow! No! That is so cheap. That is so, whenever they're in water, you cannot do anything. Like, never get near them. Just, no, please, thank you. You give off a lot of leather. Ow. Can't hit him. Where is it? No, he's got me in the water. No. Ow. My Monty Call is taking a real beating here. Stop it. Ah. Ah. Oh god, great, now it's all the way over there. Fuck. You are a bastard. Okay, wait for him to get closer. Do do. Do 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 do. Battle, 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 but he's gonna shoot me. No, no, I hate skeletons and water, it's just a bad mix. Also, let's go kill this guy over here. Hello, hello. Oh shit! God, he has no arms. I'll call you stubby. Ow. Yes, more swing. I need swing. In this, I actually do need quite a lot of swing. I will kill you! Smitten! Piggy. Carry. They're both dead. The end. Ooh, he has an enchanted one over there. Holy oh god, okay, well, that's pretty damn nice. 5 diamonds, like straight off the bat, that is amazing. That's a really good spawn location when you look around. I like this place. Right next to a village that is not really very good. But I did see some guy who wanted 18 weeks for an emerald, so that's actually really nice. Let's get some of this redstone. Can't hide from me, a little bitch. Ow. Damn it. Boy. Ow. 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 Yay. Jesus, they do a lot of that. What? When did they start doing so much damage? And when did so much redstone start to appear? And like, flip. And like, there's not enough redstone uses. This is a thing. So when you get some mods that include like redstone tools or something, that'd be pretty badass. I started to get emerald tools, but it just did not work. Or didn't want to work. Oh yes, I need you to make myself some more bread. Bread is nice because I can add sugar onto it. Or make a banana bread. Banana bread is actually really nice. I love banana bread. Or sugar bread. Sugar bread. It's the best. Okay, so get an even number. That's not an even number. Ah, that's an even number. I need more though. It's better be an even number or one with a 5 on it. Thank God. Do-do. Ba-do-do-do. Do-do. 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 Bless you. I'm sorry. Piggy! 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 Oh, what? Piggy! This is what I love the side forward. This is so cool, that attack. But once you get like better ones, like the diamond ones, which I'm definitely gonna make. Or at least definitely want to make. It's gonna be so cool. This is really easy. Everything's really easy. I'm gonna change difficult. Oh, difficult is normal. Okay, not gonna change it to hard because that's just difficult. No, don't you alligator away from me. Stop alligatoring. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, got a gill. Can't do anything with gills. Okay, useless stuff. I love that stuff. Maybe I can make armor out of it. That would be pretty awesome. Oh yay, redstone. There's really got to be a more useful redstone than I can remember. Okay, yeah. What default stuff? Ooh, Oh, you guys are cute. See if I can get much of you cute. Oh god, oh no, I thought it was going to be a fancy one. Oh, they were so cool. It's not bad, but it's only not bad if you've got some other cool stuff to go along with it. Actually no, that is annoying. See, these are meant to make some like really difficult. These are meant to make swords that are really difficult to make. I think I'm going to remove that mod. Because there's like not very good swords. Oh, okay. See, like, there's not a lot of awesome uses. Like, how does that make sense? It's going to be a chiseling this. It's item D matches. But at the same time, it does make it pretty funny. But sometimes it can be a bit annoying. You're like, you want to like, I don't know, make a dirt block or something, but you can't. Yeah. How many diamonds are here? Okay, a bit more than 4. I need to find some gold. If I can find some gold, that'd be pretty sweet. Because then I can make a magical boomerang. I need to find some coal as well. Coal is actually really useful for underwater mining. Because it will give you, I think, haste 3 underwater. But also I love the sword because by default it does 6 to 7 damage. But in water it gives you strength 3, so it's like 14. And I just find it absolutely amazing. Especially if you have some scuba gear on. Fortunately there were no textures in this, but I might put some custom ones in it. I'm not completely sure though, since every single time I've ever tried to put custom textures on, it has looked like something from Scream or some kind of horror movie. So yeah. What is fossil things anyway? Do we kind of get any fossils, or just like random crud? Oh look, floating island. Oh look, ditch. Damn it. Okay, let's get some more iron, because in this mod you need a lot of, in this pack you need quite a lot of iron to make some pretty cool stuff. This with stuff I've added. But you know, when we've got some nice gear on, we'll go adventuring. Well, actually, we'll go adventuring anyway, so I need to get a bed. I also want to get a few little things set up. You know, make the place